I thought my daughter would absolutely hate setting up all the Christmas stuff. So instead, I told her that we were going to have a weekend of fun and learning. And to my surprise, she actually enjoyed setting up the Christmas stuff and she was really excited. She was able to work out her fine motor skills as she helped me set up the bathroom, which ended up leading to her gaining self-confidence as she independently tried to perform these new tasks. She also did tasks like sorting by color and even gained some new life skills. Here's the behind the scenes footage of us setting up our Christmas decor. But first, of course, I had to clean the bathroom. I thought this tablecloth would match since it had green in it, but my husband said it looked old and we needed something more modern.
I think I just found the big one. White! What color is this? Gray or blue? Blue or gray?
The truth of the matter is, I had no idea which color that one was, so we just put it to the side until we were all finished. And lo and behold, we had one color that was missing one branch. Truth moment, I absolutely hate putting up Christmas trees. After doing all this in one day, your girl was tired, and we somehow found our way to Six Flags because she had been such a good girl. The next day, I went to Hobby Lobby just to see any new Christmas decor that they had in the store. To my surprise, they had an entire Grinch aisle. Your girl was happy. The only problem now is, what do I actually buy? I was able to narrow down my selection, and I'm quite pleased with what I chose. I knew in order to pull out this look, I needed a few gifts under the tree, so I began to wrap Christmas presents.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Not only green when summer's here, but also when 'tis cold and drear. Oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Christmas tree, much pleasure thou canst give me. Oh Christmas tree, much pleasure thou canst give me. How often has the Christmas tree afforded me the greatest glee? Oh Christmas tree, much pleasure thou canst give me. Oh Christmas tree, thy candle shines so brightly. Oh Christmas tree, thy candle shines so brightly.
And after one long weekend, our Christmas decor was ready. Overall, I am very pleased, and I think my daughter did a great job at helping set up the Christmas decor. What are your thoughts? Let me know down below in the comments.